Okay, but if it says Owen, baby, then Oni has to open it, okay?
Open it, Owen.
Owen?
Open it, Owen.
Go ahead, Jack. Grab another one, sweetheart.
Look, it's Star Wars. It's from Star Wars to Clone Wars. Can I open it?
No, you have to wait now until a minute.
Merry Christmas, Owen.
What do you say?
Thanks.
Okay, get another present, Jack. Over there by the TV. Look, get that big one over there. Yeah. Tease. Wow, Jack, that's a big one. Leave it there for later, baby. You can open them all at one time, okay?
You open these?
1 second, baby. We'll open all the presents first.
That's the freeze.
The freezer. It's Mr. Freezer.
Oni, show Mommy Star Wars: The Clone Wars.
Mommy, look, Star Wars.
Wow.
Now,
They're fruit. For school. Flower fruit. I'm going to open them now. We're going to eat them later. Come on. No.
Oh, boy.
No way.
You know who bought that for you? Jack? You know who bought that for you? Uncle Riley and Sammy. What do you say?
whoa. Someone did it.
Here, look at the camera and tell Uncle Riley thank you.
Look what I found. You opened it?
Baby, let's open all. Look at all these presents. You see all these presents here? You see all these presents?
Jackaroni.
They all have your name.
Here. What do you say?
What? I know. Oh, Jack, that's awesome. Mommy, say, whoa. Wow.
Cool. What is that? What is that?
Merry Christmas.
Oh, give me a kiss. Thank you. I love you.
Wow.
Gracias, Mama. Gracias, Grandma.
De nada, Oni.
Are you taking pictures or you videoing?
Video.
Take pictures. I don't want video. Take pictures. Take a lot of pictures.